Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So this is a two-part package of a butter dish. That's a collaboration between Denby and Monsoon's home collection. So you can see both the top and the base of the butter dish are very well bubble wrapped. Let's go ahead and of course open them up by cutting apart the sticky tape that's holding the bubble wrap nicely sealed. So obviously being very careful here not to cut all the way through and onto the soft cream china dish. Just going to make more cuts right there and unwrapping the lid of the butter dish. So nice to see that it is so safely packaged with two wraps of bubble wrap. Okay, so just removing this inner sheet now. And we should be almost there. And finally, that is the lid of the Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. We're just going to set it down and continue with the base unwrapping. Of course, being very careful once again with the penknife, making sure not to cut all the way through onto the dish itself. This time, should be able to cut a little bit faster given that this is a more user-friendly shape here for removing the bubble wrap. Okay, once again, nice to see there are two sheets of bubble wrap for the base as well. And I seem to be stuck trying to figure out where the end of this lower sheet is, so I can see the sticky tape right there that's keeping this outer sheet secure. And that's the lovely base coming through now. You can see the base of this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish just showing through slightly through that bubble wrap. So doing the same thing, just making those very fine incisions into the bubble wrap, and I think there might be some more somewhere around there of the sticky tape. And I think I've kind of ruined the bubble wrap here, but nonetheless, we've finally made it to and through the layers of bubble wrap to reveal this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. So you can see the top and bottom bits coming together right there, the lid and the base. It's a beautiful butter dish, as you can see. Just going to rotate very slightly and slowly so you can have a nice good look at this butter dish. And I'm just going to flip that tag around as well. So right there, nice clear view of this Monsoon and Denby collaboration of this piece of kitchenware in the form of a butter dish to keep your butter nice and safe. Now I'm just going to lift up the butter dish to give you a much closer look at the entire piece of kitchenware here, the lid as well as the base, so being very careful to give you a nice thorough view of both the top and bottom of this butter dish. So it does have a beautiful vibrant color, and I can see a slight imperfection almost instantly right there. You can see there is a slight dimple on the lid of the butter dish. You see if I use the overhead pendant light on that spot right there, you can see how the light or reflection bends where that dimple is, but nonetheless you can see that it is a rather beautiful butter dish with a very vibrant paisley design. And giving you that top-down view as well. Once again, being very careful there not to drop the lid. And giving you nice close-up looks at this butter dish. And the edges as well. So it is made from soft cream china. So you can see that the white of the butter dish or dish's lid is of a off-white or soft cream color, depending on how you describe it, but I would say it's more of an off-white color to me anyway. And you can see the top is more of an off-white, and the underside of the butter dish or butter dish's base, you can see that contrast of those two colors. So soft cream right there at the top and white on the underside of the butter dish. So I'm going to give you a much closer look this time at this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. So there are 6 ranges in the Denby Monsoon Home Collection range of kitchenware, and this is one of them. This is the Cosmic Collection. This is the most vibrant of the 6 ranges in the collection. And you can see just how lovely those colors are. Very eye-catching. And it is quite a statement piece, since kitchenware isn't really known to be very loud or eye-catching. So to have a piece like this in the kitchen really does kind of brighten things up somewhat from a usually rather bland and boring designs of kitchenware. So nice to see something so refreshing. In the kitchen, in the form of a butter dish. So once again, giving you that all-round look at this butter dish. Just going to move that tag just to the side slightly. Once again, giving you a nice good look right there at this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. Okay, so let's take a look on the inside as well. You can see that the butter dish, or the base of the butter dish, where the butter is to sit is raised from the rim or edges of the butter dish. So you can see that there is a raised platform in which to place your butter onto. So slightly raised there, you can see that it is a couple of millimeters higher on the creams oval section of this butter dish, so that your butter stays undisturbed and high and mighty on that platform of this base of the Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish right there. And in terms of texture, there is a satin feel to the design and print. As you can hear, my fingers or my index finger running through that surface compared to the glossy glazed surface of the central oval butter platform right there. And over there you can hear that roughness to it. But nonetheless, nice good view right there, and lovely, lovely colors right throughout. And taking a look at the edge or rim of the dish as well, so you have some idea of the thickness. So rather thick, and it does have a nice solid weight to it, and that's just the base of the butter dish alone. And giving you that side profile view as well, so you have a good idea of what this butter dish is about. So nice good look all round at this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. And just to give you some idea of the size as well of this butter dish, oh, there was a little piece of plastic in the dish from the bubble wrap, a bit of bubble wrap remnants. Nonetheless, back to giving us that nice good view of the butter dish. And you can see with that raised platform, it does keep the lid nice and somewhat safe and secure from sliding around. Just giving you that look once again at this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. So a nice piece of kitchenware to store your butter and keeping it protected in this lovely soft cream china dish. And you can see, giving you once again a nice good look at the lovely modern stylized paisley design with those vibrant colors, and of course that little green knob there for a handle. Always very important to have a nice and good handle to pull the lid up from, especially when it comes to dealing with butter and oily type items. So right there, nice good look. Inside the underside of this lid of the butter dish, and giving you that nice close-up look at that handle as well. you can see that tag showing that collaboration between Monsoon or Monsoon's Home Collection and Denby Pottery. Just to give you some idea of the size, once again, just setting the lid down to the side. So nice, good look at this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish, and once again, just giving you that look at this very beautiful and vibrantly styled butter dish. And of course, one last thing to try out and check for some idea of the size, right there with the palm of my hand resting in the base of the butter dish. You can see just how large it is. It's actually rather large, but in terms of the storage area or placement area for a block of butter, let's find out. So I do have this block of Tesco organic unsalted butter here. It is a 250 gram block of butter, and it is or hasn't been opened. So nice fresh block of Tesco's unsalted organic butter, and let's find out how it fits right there. Of course, you want to wash the new dish first and remove the wrapper of the organic butter before placing it on the dish, but this is for size purposes right there, giving you an idea of how this 250 gram block of rectangular unsalted organic butter would fit or fits on this Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. So sitting very nicely. Let's see if it fits right there, and voila, taking care and containing that 250 gram rectangular block of unsalted organic butter very nicely. And voila, right there, the butter is still there and safe. Covered and uncovered. So that's the Denby Monsoon Cosmic Butter Dish. Thanks for watching and happy storing!